It's a major victory for Greenpeace activist Priya Pillai. The Delhi High Court today ruled Pillai is not anti-national and the government must expunge the word offloaded from her passport. Significantly, the court observed you cannot muzzle dissent in a democracy. A massive controversy had erupted 2 months ago after Priya Pillai was ordered off a plane to London, where she was meant to address British MPs about her work as an activist in Madhya Pradesh. The government justified its action, calling Pillai's act anti-India. And my colleague Ketki Angre spoke to Priya Pillai earlier.
A big embarrassment for the government of India and a huge vindication of your stand, Priya, as the government and in fact the court has set aside the lookout circular and even quashed it.
Yes, I think it's a very, very big victory for us, not just for Greenpeace and me, but I think it's a victory for the citizens of this country, for the people of this country, because the judgment upholds democracy and the right to freedom of dissent in this country.
And you know, even when you had done that video conferencing with the British MPs, they also had expressed a lot of shock at why you were stopped, especially since you were just coming and talking about your work in Mahan and Madhya Pradesh.
They had expressed shock, and I'm actually feeling very, very happy because this reposes our faith in the Indian judiciary. It gives us a voice in this country, because it's not just us. There are lots of people in this country who are fighting for rights of people. It's a big win for people who dare to have a different dream of development.
And also the government of India had said that, you know, you have an anti-India stand and that goes against the development of the country.
Yes.
That's a view the court has certainly not agreed with.
Yes, the court has certainly put aside that view, that I am entitled to have a different opinion, and I am also entitled to have a different vision of development. That is what the court has said. By removing, you know, the expungement, by setting aside the LOC, the lookout circular, this is the big win that we have achieved, I think.
All right, a vindication of stand for Priya Pillai and for Greenpeace, as the government of India will be embarrassed since the Delhi High Court has now decided that the lookout circular will be quashed and be set aside, the one that has been issued against Priya Pillai, and also she will not be stopped from travelling abroad, and any name, any database that has her name, that name also will be removed from that database. In New Delhi, with camera person Sushil Rathi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.
I think this is a very great day for the country as a whole, not just for Priya Pillai, not just for Greenpeace. I think the right to dissent has been elevated to a constitutional status, and I think that in a country at this point where we are governed by a majoritarian government, this is the only valuable right we have with us, our voice and our right to dissent. The court has held that we are well within our rights in holding a different view of what development is all about.